Hey guys, Max Gerston here with Max Off-Road Training. Today I want to go over 3 products that's going to make your off-road experience a heck of a lot better. So as y'all know, motocross is one thing, but off-road is a whole different thing. When you're out in the mountains, you have elements, you have a lot of other factors that come into play, and I want to talk to you a little bit about what you can do to be more prepared to head out on the trails today. In regards to preparation, I'm going to talk to you about some things with your bike. Before we even get started with that, you need to go out with a good supply of water, good supply of food, and some tools. Alright guys, let's get into it. Tip number 1. When you're out in the mountains, you want to be durable. One way to be durable is to start with mousses. These are foam inserts that go in your tires. Motorcycle shops can install them. You can run it and you can smash it into all the square edges, logs, roots that you want, and you're not going to get it flat. What's nice about this is then you don't have to carry extra tools and extra tubes to save yourself while you're out on a trail. You're guaranteed no flats and you're going to be good to go. Here's tip number 2 for going off into the mountains. When you're out in the mountains, we want to build durable equipment. One part of that is keeping the motor cool and having a reliable coolant to rely on. I like Evans. This stuff doesn't boil over. It doesn't spill out. So even if your bike gets really hot, you add this in and it does not boil over. Yes, your bike can still run hot and you still want to keep it cool, but you're not going to lose all your coolant and then blow up your engine like you would with normal coolant if you get into a challenging situation. All right, tip number 3, this is a big one. When we're out in the mountains, you never know what's gonna happen. You might break something. You wanna carry a nice toolkit with you. I carry a waist belt style tool belt. I absolutely love these. They're lightweight. I kinda carry a little bit of a bare minimum setup, but it gives me the confidence I need to be prepared when I'm going out there. If you wanna learn more about the tools that I carry with me when I go out into the mountains, click the link right here and you can see a detailed breakdown of what I got. Alright MotoFam, that was the 3 top secret tips for the off-road world to get you and your motorcycle more prepared to go out into the trails. If you want more help with this, I go over a lot of this stuff in my clinics. I would love to help you out in Max Off-Road Training.